Hey guys, good morning, good morning. We've been having a, a little rocky week, but we can't give up. We in the charts every day, so let's get to it. You already know first things first. We look at the news, and today we have some red folders, but it's only for GBP. But this happened at 7 in the morning, and nothing of our concern. But we have this unjobless claims at 8:30, and naturally, to me, that's more of a continuation for whatever direction it wants to go. So let's go to the charts. We are here at the charts for gold and looking a little choppy. I was trying to sell at certain zones and they just gave me weak reactions, so I took a couple losses throughout the week for sales, but I took a few wins for gold. GJ, I grabbed a couple wins from the buy, but I wasn't able to hold them long enough. So yeah, NASDAQ gave me one good setup for the buy, for the sell. Then they gave me another setup for the buy that I missed, but I was looking for another sell. But it seemed like price doesn't want to respect any of the sell zones because buyers are in control. So we're going to look for some setups. All right, so let's go over gold, what I did today with gold so far. I saw a demand zone that consolidated on the 15, but on the 1 minute you see the real consolidation range. And then it broke out, finally. And then it pulled back in, then broke out again. So I was looking at a buy, but I was focusing on a chat. That when I tell you trading and following a chat will mess up your trading, it will. Because I just loaded up $50 and I lost 14 just because I was listening to a chat. In the chat, they said entry right here. But I know my zone is right here. If it taps here, I will get in. That's where I actually got in. I got closed out early because I was not focusing on this right here. Because right here was a break of structure. So I needed to see price break above. And there's a candle that closed above. I did not see that. So I took a little loss, but I'm still in for the buy. Because I thought that it didn't break above, so I'm going for the sell. What I should have done was wait for it to break a structure, but I rushed in today. Here's another good buy that took me out of break even. And I think I'm done with a loss of 80 on my funded and 14 on my personal.